Learn basic English through watching my daily routine. Wake up. I usually wake up at around 7 a.m. I set my alarm to ensure I don't oversleep. Morning routine. After waking up, I head straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then, I get dressed for the day. Breakfast. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So I make sure to have a healthy and balanced meal. I usually have cereal with milk, a piece of fruit, and a cup of coffee. Commute. If I have to go to work or school, I commute by car or public transportation. I leave my house around 8 a.m. to avoid rush hour traffic. Work, school. I spend the majority of my day at work or school, depending on my schedule. I focus on completing tasks, attending meetings, and learning new things. Lunch. Around noon, I take a break for lunch. Sometimes, I bring a packed lunch from home, but other times, I'll go out with colleagues or friends to grab a bite to eat. Afternoon activities. After lunch, I continue with my work or classes. I try to stay productive and accomplish as much as possible. Exercise. In the late afternoon or early evening, I make it a point to engage in some form of physical activity. This could include going to the gym, taking a jog, or attending a fitness class. Leisure time. Once I'm done with work or school, I use my free time to relax and unwind. This could involve reading a book, watching TV shows or movies, or pursuing a hobby. Dinner. I prepare or cook dinner around 7 p.m. I enjoy experimenting with different recipes and trying out new dishes. Eating a nutritious dinner is important to me. Personal time. After dinner, I dedicate some time to myself. This could involve practicing mindfulness, journaling, or engaging in a creative activity. Wind down. Before going to bed, I like to wind down by reading a book or listening to soft music. It helps me relax and prepares me for a good night's sleep. Bedtime routine. Around 10 p.m., I start my bedtime routine. I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into comfortable sleepwear. I ensure my bedroom is dark and quiet to create a conducive sleep environment. Sleep. I aim to get around 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, so I try to go to bed by 11 p.m. to get a sufficient amount of rest. This is just a general example, and daily routines can vary greatly depending on individual lifestyles, responsibilities, and preferences.